Kanong tulu mathan Marman Development Forum NM&MDF kabadai ka kanhun Tremon Snobha haringkat ka jingedon ringkat uba Maral Bonds Iam ubadi UMLA kanong po constituency uba Arnold Singli u chairman ka NM&MDF bat uba diran kalen usketri ka NM&MDF kila ay da ka jingto karpat siya usambut menteri ka jala uba Prestone tensong ban karpat ban pentri kamno iaka community and rural development CNRD block kabathamay ha Umden kabadan hapo karibhoy district ka forum bat kinongilam shnong jong kis raj nong tulu doloy raj mathan bat ru kinongilam jong ka raj marman kila rai ban iaka ha Umden klem na siu pisa ban sengye ka office CNRD block kabathamay kani ka pen I ka man siam bakhoj bat ka jingitali jong ki pai ba ban kentiwe ka imlang ka salang ka jingthawi kani ka block thamay ha Umden kan yara ban pansok ka jingtri kam sarkar banwan ra ka roy ka para kishnong ren Batru ban plilat ikipat ba ban yo jing sumar jing hikai ba ka jingirap ka lengka than ka forum ka lakar pat jori Bah Prestone tensong bon shimkhya bat ai jing manjur no kham kloi ban pen urlong ye ka jing ang no jong kipat ba ka than nong tulu mathan marman.
Privileged to meet the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of the state, Shri Prestone Tensong, to endorse about the demand that has been pending with the government with regards to the creation of new Umden CNRD block to be carved out of the present block that is Umden CNRD block. And the delegation, including myself, which has been endorsed and participated by the Nongtlu Mathan Marman Development Forum, as well as Sinjukki Rangbashnong of Tri Rai, as well as the traditional head of Rai Nongtlu, Rai Mathan, Rai Marman also. And the meeting was very fruitful, and the committee and the delegation felt deemed fit, and we find it very satisfactory the response of the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, in which he has particularly endorsed the memorandum application to the Deputy Commissioner to expedite with the concerned BDO of Umden to have a thorough investigation, a thorough inspection about the site where the office will be held, as well as to have a thorough public hearing with various villages which will be included within the proposed Umden CNRD block. And we are very optimistic in this regard, and I hope with the unity of each and everyone from Umden area in particular, and these three Rai Nongtlu, Rai Mathan and Rai Marman, and as well as the other villages which fall near Umden, we hope that this proposal, in which the positive response by the Deputy Chief Minister, it will be heard in due course of time. And I'm not wrong to say that the commitment that has been committed by the government in the past, in which it has delivered at the ground, the people have seen the work in reality. And I'm not wrong to say that this proposal also the government will hear, and with the strong endorsement by the Deputy Chief Minister, I hope in days to come we will see the light of the day that the creation of the proposed Umden CNRD block will happen in reality.